Hello everybody, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. Two-factor authentication is a very strong security key on Facebook. That's neat when you will log in your Facebook with new device. Now what is two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication on Facebook adds an extra level of security to your Facebook account by connecting it with another device. If someone tries to sign in from an unfamiliar device, the two-factor authentication will send a unique code to either your mobile device or a third-party authentication app. Now I am going to show you how to enable this feature. First of all, open your Facebook app. Now what you have to do, you can see here top of the right side 3-dot line, just click on it. Now scroll down, here you see settings and privacy, just click on it. Now you can see here settings option under settings and privacy, just click on settings. Now you can see here personal and account information under account option, just click on it. Now click on identity confirmation. Now click confirm your identity, then click protect your account. You can see this kind of interface. Now choose your security method. I am going to use text message, SMS. Now just tap on next text message, then tap on continue. You will see that by default your number is selected here. So if you want to use this number, just click on continue. I am going to add a new number here. So I am going to click on add phone number, then click on continue, and you will get a 6-digit code on this number, and enter the code here, then tap on continue. Now to complete this process, enter your password here. So I am going to enter my password here, then click on continue. Now you successfully added two-factor authentication to your Facebook account. So guys, that's end for today. If you find this video helpful, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to leave a like and comment. See you next time.